Hey guys, welcome back to my channel called How To. Today I will be reviewing a software called AnyViewer, okay, which is a remote desktop connection software and for Windows, Android, and I think Mac as well. Okay, so I am on the web page of AnyViewer, that is anyviewer.com, right? I have added the link on the description below. You can just click on that link and come here and download the software and give it a try, right? I think even they are having some offers right now, right? I think 75% of off. You can just check it out, those offers, if you really want to purchase your plan as per your need for business or for professional users. Okay, now, right, I have just if you want to download the software, click on download freeware, right? I have already downloaded this software and you just need to install it, right? And I have done that part already, so I will be opening this software AnyViewer. Okay, right, so this is uh, yeah, this is the page, right, or the window of AnyViewer, which is running on version 3.3.0, right? And probably I would suggest you to make, if you really need to, right, if you're professional users, probably you need to sign up to use your feature set as per your need, as per your plan that you have opted for. Basically I'm running this freeware right now, and we'll be doing a review on this. Okay, so now if you want to connect your remote device, like probably you might be traveling somewhere, or if you want to share some files or data, or want to connect remotely to your office laptop or your home devices, right, home systems or home laptop or your friend's laptop, to help them out, to help them out remotely, then this is the software that is best suited for. Okay, so once you click on connect, right, you'll see two things, and two sections, right? One is accept control and one is start control. Okay, so accept control means, right, if you want to give your system to your friend, or any other person, to control your system, to give the access of your system, then probably they even have to download the software AnyViewer, right, install it, and even when they will open it, right, they will be having this window, right? And then you need to share this ID. Okay, so this is the device ID that they need to, you need to share it to them, right? And they will be filling those your device ID on their system. Okay, and then once that device ID has been entered, okay, and then only you can connect. Okay, and then for connecting, we do have two options. If you want to remotely connect that machine, or if you want to transfer the file. Okay, so that's the two options we have here. One is remote control, if you want to securely take the if you want to take the control of the remote machine, or the remote laptop, right? Or if you want to share some files, right? And for that part, you need to click on file transfer. Okay, I think we are good here. And once you hit your partner or your household appliance, household laptop that you have been using at your home, and if you want to help them out, probably you need to hit the ID, right? They would be telling you the device ID and the password. Once you click on connect, it will prompt you for the temporary password that they will be setting to you, and then you need to hit it, and then you will be able to connect it. Okay, so that's how it goes. It's like pretty simple. Okay, so the third option would be, we have here is device, right? I mean, like if you'll be signing up, right, and then if you want to click if you want to opt for um, one click connect to unattended devices, right, transfer file between devices, and so on and so forth, asynchronous connection histories, right, that is something you'll be able to do once you'll sign up. Okay, and for the last part is setting, right? Like for example, this is my laptop, right? And even I do have my secondary laptop, that is something I'm carrying on my back, right? And this laptop is, I'm just placing it at my home place, and it is connected to Wi-Fi, right? And then what I can do is I can turn one beautiful feature that's called unattended access. Okay, so what does it will do is, if you'll turn this feature on, okay, and set my secure code, for example, anything, like if you want to secure for example any password, right? If you save the password, now all you need to do is, once you'll be turning this feature on, right? If you turn this feature on and set your security password, right, wherever you are, right? If you have a next system, you can, if you have this device ID and the password, right, you can easily, if you have this device ID, you can easily, from your different machine, open AnyViewer, right, and hit this device ID, and you need to hit that unattended password that you have set. Then you will be able to log into this machine. Okay, that is what unattended access is meant for. You don't need anyone, to accept the connection and to share your secret code and so on and so forth. Okay, and for the recipient, right, we have some features to turn it on or turn it off. If you want to allow to accept remote control, so turn this remote control feature on, probably, there will be a prompt to accept the connection or not, right? And for that case, if you want to enable it, toggle it on. If you want to disable it, toggle it off, right? And allow temporary security code, right? This is even that is all up to you, how you want this security code to be uh, working. Okay, if you want to disable it, you can disable it. If you want to enable it, and at if you want to enable it manually or at the end of each remote sessions, each remote connections, right? That's something, it's all up to your wish. Okay, and for controller, I think this is what the by default, and in the free version we'll get balance and default for the image quality. If you want to make it higher, probably I think you need to have a license for that part. If you want to go for higher quality, you need to have a license, right? Pro feature professional license, but and then only you can opt for high quality resolution. And if you want to hide the desktop wallpaper, basically I think for this is meant for, if you want a visual during remote control, hide desktop wallpaper to make display smoother. Yes, this is what is and what this meant for. If you want to make display smoother, you can just turn it off, right, and turn down as per your, as per your will. Again, if you want to save the security code, right, you can save it. If you don't want to, you can, toggle it off, right? Basically, what does it mean? It will just, save all those security code by default. If you enable this, okay, save the entered security code for automatic connection next time, right? So as per your need, you can just turn it on and turn it off. Okay, for security, I haven't touched this section so far. You can try it out, 10 minutes of lock interface, probably. I think I need to give a try. Lock AnyViewer after the main interface is logged, for, I think you can set the timer and so on and so forth. You can give a try it, but by default I think it's off only. Okay, and that is what I am using right now. I'm just making it off and leveraging all those other features. Okay, for basic, I think, yeah, what you can do here is start AnyViewer with Windows. As soon as your Windows will be logged in or turned on, AnyViewer will be started by default on the back end from the background. If you want to turn it off, you can turn it off. If you want to turn it on, you can turn it on as per your, again, needs, right? But yes, make sure, if you want to make unattended access, and, probably this is the feature, you need to turn it on, or you need to manually turn your AnyViewer on and leave it by default, leave it as it is, and you can just go out and, you can have that unattended feature uh, working. Okay, and prevent this device from automatic sleeping. Yeah, I don't want to make sleep for this device, and probably I can lose the connection, right? And device name, yeah, you can change your device name as per your need, actually, how to, or you can save it, right? And if your preferred language would be English, then yeah, you can make it English or any other as per your need, right? So I think that's all a feature that AnyViewer have uh, been providing. It, it's pretty cool, simple to use, and it's very easy for beginners, right? And it's not that hectic to use on and to operate on. It's a pretty cool feature, right? And if you want to, come back to your default setting that any of you have provided so far, if you feel you have messed up something, and you can just click on reset all, and then it will just make it your factory default uh, settings. Okay, so yeah, and probably I think AnyViewer have, yeah, it's available on Android, iOS and Windows, right? If you'll click on this or on the link description below, you'll land on a web page wherein you can see, uh, you can download this applications as well. But yeah, for Mac I think you can download it from, what we call it, for Mac I haven't used it, but yeah, you can give a try. Okay, for Android I know it's a Play Store, and for Mac I think it's App Store, right? Yeah, if I'm not wrong. So yeah, that's all about AnyViewer version 3.3.0. I hope this video was informative for you. I hope I have covered everything so far. And the last comparison would be for AnyViewer pricing between free version, professional version, and again I think they have some enterprise version. Let me check very quickly. um, well, yeah, for free, I've been using a free version right now. For professional I think this is the charges, and I think they are even providing some more offers, right? You can just give it a try. And they have three different versions: free, professional and enterprise, right? And what the difference, it's like, free you'll get high speed. For pros and enterprise you'll get higher speed, right? Two channels, and for 10 channels, uh, business hour support, I think like 24 by 7 by 365 days support, right? Priority support. So yeah, like these are like cool comparison that they have provided on their web page. Okay, and so based on your requirement you can choose your plan accordingly, and yeah, you can buy your license if you want. Else you can use the free version as well if you really don't feel like you don't need any licenses so far. But yeah, they do have these options as well. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was informative for you. I'll see you until next time. Bye bye.